Okay, my GameStop play from Friday is working, I guess.
Alternative alts.
It does work. It worked out pretty good. I'm gonna sell it tomorrow. Got what, 96%. It went all the way to 100%. Like five grand. I put 5 grand in it, I think. And my average price was 127. Now it's 249. 120. Oh yeah, 100, over 100 bucks per share. I got 40 shares. I need my ladder in there. This is stuff from previous job that I picked up. I wanted to swap the wires. Evaporator sensor, 58 degrees. And coil. Okay, so my evaporator is frozen, but evaporator sensor reads 58. Tells me that our sensor is bad again. Green sensor, but I don't have one, and they're the same, so we're gonna swap with yellow or something else. Okay, and the sensor here, this one, it reads 57 degrees, 58 degrees. How can it be 58 degrees when it's all laced up? The sensor covers the noise, right? That's what we're gonna do. Okay. That's our plan. Not bad, took about 25 minutes. Clear of ice. Okay, so pretty simple. Old one going out, new one coming in. Going in a coil. ladder. Disconnecting it. It's not the way. Next thing, I don't know what they came up with. Horrible condition. End up blowing coil with nitrogen, with dry nitrogen. I'm not sure what's the deals with these guys, but they were there, so I'm gonna put them back. I guess it was freezing up or something. There's definitely air circulation issue in here in this freezer, or they open the doors. This freezer is a nightmare. You know, it's 5 years old, it looks like it's 20 years old. Shiny. lots of friggin' crop on even the friggin' drain lines on the rock. It's air circulation issues. The way they load it. I'll show you guys in a sec how it's loaded. Is right there. They should not have. What happened here? See, guys, it shouldn't be that way. I need to fix that thing up. Just put self-tap in there. Pretty solid. But yeah, let's go and take a look what's our readings on that sensor at this point. Set point 05, 7.5 on evaporator sensor. So yeah, this one was pretty common problem. Traulsen with bad evaporator sensor. On Traulsen's with those controllers, the 3 buttons controller, you can check all sensors pretty quick. Pretty much from the controller itself. There is that parameter EL on it, and you can just read on that controller what that sensor reads out. And coil is frozen, that's first thing, so the sensor is covered in ice, so at least 32 degrees. It's gonna be even lower because it keeps running and running. So it's probably supposed to be like 0 - 10 at that condition when we found it. And when I opened up EL sensor reading on a controller, it just shows me 58 degrees which is not correct. And it could be still controller, right? It's not reading proper that sensor, but as experience shows, it's sensor. The sensors for some reason failing pretty often. And the airflow never was proper in this freezer. They just keep packing it
An
out.
all-weather portfolio, you just have an all-weather stock, and it's called GameStop. It does great when times are bad, and it does great when times are good. There you go, GameStop. Hedged either way. Can't go wrong. I don't own any GameStop.
With the GameStop, it's gonna go to a zero, I think, really soon. It's not gonna last that long, so if you guys bought GameStop, just think twice about keeping it. Okay, so this one works like an oven. Right through. So I'm pretty sure the compressor doesn't work for some reason. It's warm. Products still in there. They called me yesterday. They didn't want to remove product. Why? They keep the pizza warm. It's in there. Is it R290? 134. Oh, that's gonna blow. So condenser fan is running, so thermostat calling. Comes out here for the fan and compressor at the same time. Compressor covered completely covered. Okay. Let's shut it off. Now it will be easier from the front. Can't get to everything I need. Okay, so that should be easy. Easier. Hopefully. Nothing too obvious. Overload is open. Nada. Okay. Three one. Let's check if our compressor not grounded or anything before we even. Nothing. Nothing. One. 3.8 and 3.6. Okay, terminamos de vez. Like that. Let's get some straps. Okay. Let's straighten it up a little. Trying to start it. What's going to happen? Oh, compressor started up. What a surprise. Wait for the temperatures. That's gonna take forever, for sure. The box is so warm, and the product inside is super warm.